Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a QR code in Wix, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is get to the Wix QR code generator. You can easily search it on Google, however, the URL is www.wix.com/tools/QR-code-generator, and you'll get to this here page. Once you're here, you can click to create QR code. However, that'll just bring you down here. And as you can see, you can create your own QR code in seconds. All you have to do is select the content type and then enter the content here. And then you'll modify your QR code and then you can download it. Now, what you're going to want to do is select what you want. For example, I'll use a URL. I'll use https www.google.com. For example, like so, and as you can see, that has created a custom QR code to the right. You can select the size. I'll put it to 1000, for example. It should work, or 200 maybe, or 500. I'll just keep it at 500, why not? You can choose the colors. The background can be whatever you want, like so, and it'll change the color. The dot will be, for example, white, and it'll change it like that. And as you can see, now the QR code has been created. Now all you need to do is just click download, and you need to be logged in for Wix to download it for free. You can download it as a PNG, SVG, or JPEG. I'll select JPEG, and as you can see, the QR code has been downloaded in the top right, and you can use that QR code image, put it wherever you want, and that is literally all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.